Hello student, welcome to biology class, and we are going to start with the new chapter, that is excretion. Not the new chapter, it is the new topic of the chapter, life process of class 10, that is the excretion. So first of all, let's define the term excretion, and it is the biological process to remove wastage from the body. The biological process involved to remove the wastage from the body. It means from any living body or the body of any living organisms, the waste material generated during the metabolic processes. That waste material are either harmful or useless for our body, so there is a need of rapid disposal of these waste material or rapid removal of these materials, and for that purpose, for the rapid removal of these waste material, there are some system present in the body of living organism. That system may be very simple or maybe very complex. So in this chapter or in this class, that means at the level of class 10, we will study the excretion in human being as well as excretion in plants. So in a human being, for the excretion process, there is a system which is known as excretory system. So first topic related to excretion is the excretion in human being. Excretion in human. So in human being there is a system which is known as excretory system. Excretory system for the removal of waste material. And this excretory system consists of, there are four components, that are a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, and a urethra. So a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and a urethra, these are the four components of the excretory system of human being, and these together perform the process of excretion, that means the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body, which is produced after the metabolism of protein. So let's start the structure of these components in our excretory system. So our excretory system made from these organs may be explained as, there are a pair of kidney which are bean-shaped. The bean-shaped kidney located in our body alongside of the backbone, and here the left kidney is slightly upper than the right kidney, and there is a region behind it due to the presence of large lobe of liver above the right kidney. So the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney, and from this kidney, the kidneys are connected through the blood pipe. So these are the blood pipes, and these pipes are of two types. First one is veins and second one is artery. So artery, it is known as renal artery, while the veins are known as renal vein. And these arteries and veins transport the materials, that means the waste material, nitrogenous waste inside the blood. The nitrogenous waste which is generated after metabolism inside the cell, they release into the tissue fluid, and from the tissue fluid these nitrogenous waste material collected by the network of blood capillaries, and these network of blood capillaries then collect these nitrogenous waste into the veins, and veins carry these materials to the heart, and heart supply these to the kidney. So in the kidney, the nitrogenous waste are taken, carried by, linked by the renal artery, and renal will collect the purified blood from the kidney, and from each kidney there is a tubular pipe arise, which is known as ureter. From each kidney we observe a pair of tubular part which is known as ureter, and ureter open into a balloon-like structure which is known as urinary bladder. And these are the ureters. So ureter collects urine from the kidney, each kidney. This is the left kidney, and this is the right kidney. So right kidney, from right kidney there is a right ureter collect the urine, and while from the left kidney there is a left ureter collect the urine, and after collection they pour the urine into the urinary bladder. And urinary bladder is the place where urine remain stored for several hours or several minutes, and when the urine becomes more in urinary bladder, the pressure of urine over the wall of urinary bladder forward the masses to the brain, and brain forward the signals to contract the muscles of urine to pour the urine outside, and the removal of urine from urinary bladder to outside takes place through an opening which is known as urethra. Urethra, it is the small tube which is arise from urinary bladder and forward to the outside of the body. And in the case of human male, urethra is the common passage for the removal of urine as well as for the ejaculation of sperm, while in female there is distinct opening for female genital aperture as well as urethra. There is a single urethra in the case of female. So this is all about the excretory system of human being. So excretory system of human being consists of a pair of kidney, that is left kidney and right kidney, and kidney is bean shaped. This is bean shaped kidney, and above the kidney there are a pair of gland also present, and these glands are known as adrenal gland. So adrenal gland we will discuss in second chapter, that is control and coordination. It is an endocrine gland which releases the hormones, and that hormones is known as emergency hormone. And why it is called emergency hormone we will discuss in the next chapter, that is control and coordination. And from the kidneys the urine after filtration of blood फिल्टर होने के बाद जो यूरिन अलग हो जाता है, and that urine collected by number of tubules and pour into the ureter, and ureter is the last tube that pours the urine into the collect the urine into urinary bladder, and urinary bladder के थ्रू जो यूरिन होता है यूरेथ्रा के थ्रू बाहर आ जाता है.